Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana variations we are going to do now. That means hand to toe pose. So we are going to hold the big toe of the foot and then we'll be performing the asanas like variations. So first is front stretch, then side stretch and cross stretch. This same thing we can perform with the yoga belt as well, that you can see it in another video. So right now we are going to perform just like that. It takes little bit time to come to this level, like straightening leg front and side and cross. But even if it is knee is bent, you can definitely perform it. So let's see it. So first you have to bend your knee like this and hold the toe. Bend your knee, hold the toe. And now stretch front. So this is first variation. You can keep your other hand for the balance in the air. You can come here. You can take the support of wall or something like that. That's completely fine. Down. So this is one variation, like you are stretching your leg front. Now on the side. So bend your knee and then stretch it on the sides. Other hand you keep it like this for the balance, or like this. Anyway is fine. Exhale slowly down. So this was second variation. Now the third variation, that is cross variation. So with opposite hand you hold your toe and then stretch opposite side. Yes. You can take the support in the initial stage. Okay, relax. Now same thing we perform on left side. So left leg forward first, stretch forward. First variation. Good. Then side, front, side. Yes. Then cross, opposite side. Relax.